Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So here we are on day 15 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. And again, yesterday I was getting you to work on the effortlessness in the breath. How did you get on with that? How did it go? Did you find yourself connecting into it? Did you feel the spaciousness in it? Did you let yourself flow into that sense of letting go? And as you come to the peaceful completion at the end of your exhale, did it feel really nice? Coming to that pause, and it's just a beautiful place of rest and connection in it. And you're just letting go. Effortlessly letting go. Gorgeous. Now today's challenge is on the inhale, you're in this beautiful space in the pause at the end of the exhale. When you inhale, what you're doing is you're going to feel a lifting sensation, a lightness of sensation. So as you breathe into your navel, you're going to feel that beautiful spaciousness at the beginning of your inhale, and just allow it to fill full of spaciousness, and then notice that there's a rising sensation, and that rising sensation, there's a momentum to it, there's a lovely lightness to it. So you're just breathing in that lovely lightness on your inhale, and then it's a flowing lightness, and as you come to the peak of your inhale, there's that natural moment of completion, and you just come to that beautiful lightness of being. It really does light up your senses. It gives you a lovely sense of radiant awareness. And remember that gliding sensation in that I was talking about earlier on in one of the sessions, where I want you to glide. What I want you to do is have yourself glide in that lightness at the peak of your inhale. So when you come to the pause at the peak of the inhale, there's a beautiful lightness to the space, and then you're just gliding in it. So the challenge is, as you breathe into your navel and you feel that spaciousness, feel yourself rising through it and let yourself glide in the lightness. And then you're gliding on that flowing lightness. And as you come to the peak, you're just in that beautiful moment of stillness in the pause, and you're just gliding in it and gliding in that beautiful lightness. And notice how radiant it makes your body feel, how radiant your awareness feels. It just heightens all the senses. Okay, it's a super practice. And again, the challenge is, it's a bit subtle. If you have any questions, put them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, help us build a community, and then click the notification for keeping yourself up to date with everything that we put out. And then have a great day, and I'll see you for tomorrow's challenge.